It has to be over 1 to be...
Put it over 1, right?
Yeah. So your rise is a -5 and your run is a +1.
Okay?
Okay, now. What did you say about the plus the equal and putting it over the 1?
I need to make it a fraction. So if it's a whole number, I just put it over 1 to make it a fraction. Because I need to have the rise and the run. I need it to be rise over run. Okay? I need it to be rise over run. So if my slope is negative, then that means I want to go down and to the right. So -5 means I want to go down 5.
Now you always go to the right. You never go to the left in a negative context, right?
The only context I would ever go to the left is if I can't go any farther right because I'm going to go off the graph.
Now, when you say, here you said, from the first point, so we're going from -4.
Yes.
Are we going to go down from that first point?
Yes.
Go back 5 more.
Yes.
So really when they say rise over run, they mean rise or fall over run.
Yes.
Well, negative rise is a fall.
Okay. Now, so do you guys see where I'm getting that? The slope of -5 would mean I want to go down 5 and right 1. Okay. My rise is -5. My run is 1. So I want to go down 5, right 1. Now, the biggest mistake is going back to the origin and starting over. You don't want to start over. I want to go from my y-intercept. So from my y-intercept, anybody guilty of starting over? I see that all the time. Do not start over because you're already on a point. From that point, go from there. Alright? So from 0, -4, I want to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right 1. And make my second point. Yes?
What if that number doesn't show up on the graph? How do you change the picture? Like if it only goes to -8 and it only goes to -9.
Could you edit
Then you're going to have to reverse it. You're going to have to go up and left again. Okay?
How does that really work, though?
It's the same line. It's down and right is the same as up and left.
Well, yeah, but wouldn't my math lab count you as wrong because it's the wrong points?
Okay,
No, they're
look,
only
on
looking for the
yours,
line.
The only time it knows what the right points are the intercepts.
you want to write out y
Otherwise it doesn't care.
Okay.
plus b.
Now,
Right?
did you guys hear what I said to Kim? Kim said, what if I can't go down 5 because my graph doesn't go far enough?
So now plug in your...
Did anybody run into that? She said, I can't go down 5 because my graph doesn't go far enough down. What would you do in that case?
You just
Put it like 2, 4, 2, 3.
You can't change the picture. So the graph they give you is the graph you have to work with. You have to reverse both directions. So if I can't go down 5, right 1, then I would have to go
Up 5, left.
up 5, left 1. Reversing both directions gives you the same effect. It'll be on the same line.
Well, could you just edit the point and put in the point like you showed us?
I don't think you can do a point that's off the graph. You can try it. I've never tried that before. Okay. Now let me tell you the common mistakes here. The first mistake we just talked about, which is starting over for your second point. So don't start over for your second point. Start at the y-intercept. Second mistake is too much clicking. So I see people all the time go down 5, click, over 1, and then you try to click again, but you can't click again because you already clicked the second time.
Will it allow you to correct that?
Can't you grab the point and
You
move
can grab the point and move it over, yes. But do not click until you get to your final location. All right? So don't try to click when you go down or up. Only click when you go down and also right. Okay, so once I click on those 2 points, it will draw my line for me. Okay, so let's try the two call this intercept.
I guess you deleted it.
Well, no, I think there's another one. Maybe not. Well, that's annoying. I guess it's just 13. You guys go ahead and try 13. I thought there was a fourth graphing problem. Seems to have lost it. Just ignore that. It just means it's showing you -5 to 5. Guys, where it says the X range is -5 to 5, just ignore that. That just means that's what they're showing on the graph. That's not a direction. They're just giving you the range of
They
the.
just want us to graph.
Just graph the line. Don't read anything else into that. Yeah, if you didn't see it, then don't start seeing it. Just ignore it. But
You don't want to do factor split. That's what's telling me whether you need to go up. Or over the from here and then go up
Oh, I know,
over one.
That's my point. It's not going to be correct. And then it disqualifies.
I get that.
You're like, no, it doesn't.
I'm like, I know it's one of these, and I know it has to do with the year.
you're in -4 and you want to go down 5 more.
Right.
Whole number is put it over 1. Put this one over 1.
You should have
Oh.
listened to. You're like,
No.
1 point, oops, fine.
Well, I hit comma, I don't really think it's 1 point comma, it's like
Can
1 comma 5.
we maybe talk about how to do this?
Just find the coordinates of those points.
Okay, and then,
The X and Y. Just figure out the X and Y. You can just count what your rise is.
right, yeah, that's what I didn't understand. So do I count all the way up and over to the second point? So I don't count any other point, but
Just so if you're confused by that, then find the coordinates. Like this would be 2, 1.
mhm.
And then that would be -3, -2.
Mhm.
Oh,
Just take the 2 points and plug them in the same formula.
Okay.
But yeah, you want to count all the way up and all the way over. So you want to go up 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, now would that be the same? Would it be the same if there were, say, a third point here? Would the slope from here to here be the same from here to there?
Yes.
Okay.
And from any 2 points on the line, it would be the same.
Okay, okay, thank you.
And my shirt only says, man, work together in a community. Maybe a helping hand or something like that.
I know what my shirt will say. It says, guys, I'm looking for them. Possible friends.
My brother has a t-shirt that says, the speed of light is 186,000 meters per second. The velocity is 186,000 meters per second. It's the speed of light leaving the air. But I guess that is kind of an open open to perspective discussion.
Right, yeah. Okay, so which one's grammatically incorrect?
You're asking me?
Yeah.
Just a positive or negative.
Let's see. Rate of change in weighted functions is $1.5 billion per year. 1.5 times $1. 1.5 years per dollar. Dollars, not right. 1.5 billion dollars per item sold.
So you guys just go ahead and take a break until 12:30. If you're done with number 13.
We can do what?
Because, we have to come in a break.
Oh.
So,
Help me.
Just draft the equation.
I got it.
That doesn't mean anything. That just means your range between C is from -5 to +5. Don't
Okay,
ignore
break
that. Just
time.
draft the equation.